we have a great opportunity to take a really good bill and target it even more toward advancing equity, a challenge that long preceded COVID-19, as well as economic recovery from this devastating pandemic. We look to stabilize the neighborhoods that were hardest hit, to support minority-owned businesses with record levels of funding, and to position the state for continued growth in emerging innovation sectors. We seek to fund even more affordable housing and develop more housing in our gateway and similar cities, many of which were hit extra hard by the pandemic. COVID-19 has really sharpened the need to address the housing crisis. The virus has demonstrated how important stable housing is to staying safe, socially distancing, and continuing to work from home and teach our children. Our high cost of rent across Massachusetts creates enormous challenges. Many households, in an effort to make rent, live in crowded quarters. Oftentimes, this includes multiple generations of families, from newborns to the elderly. The Health Equity Advisory Group recently issued findings and recommendations on the disproportionate impact of COVID-19 on communities of color. By no surprise, housing is identified in that report as a hugely important factor for better public health outcomes. Social and economic factors are known to be big contributors to what makes us healthy, but our current housing crisis forces families to sacrifice other priorities like food, clothes, and health care. Zoning laws around the country have been a tool used to exclude. The current system has produced harmful results for minority populations and communities before COVID-19, and it now produces consequences that are outright dangerous to these communities during the outbreak. This is a chance for us to find new ways of encouraging housing production at the local level. The housing choice reforms still included in this legislation are designed to foster more production and to promote equitable access to opportunity while respecting the local decision-making process. It does this by enabling cities and towns to adopt certain zoning best practices through a simple majority vote rather than the current two-thirds supermajority. Without meaningful zoning reform, we will continue to see more of the same: negative impacts on equity, housing affordability, and access to jobs. Massachusetts is one of just a few states that requires a supermajority to change local zoning, which means even when a town meeting or city council forms a majority consensus around the need to increase housing, it only takes a small minority to stop it. To be clear, the housing crisis will not be solved by one piece of legislation, but this package today will put our state in a position to produce the housing we need to meet our current demands. Why should we continue to prevent a community from producing more housing, especially multifamily housing in downtowns and near transit? And we're optimistic that the time is ripe for real, lasting change that gives cities and towns the flexibility to do what they know to be best for their communities. Beyond these reforms, our proposal will continue to fund transit-oriented housing, as well as sustainable and climate-resistant affordable housing, with new language that modifies income thresholds to increase affordability. The bill will also allow the Housing Development Incentive Program, or HDIP, to meet growing demand for market-rate housing in gateway cities and enable similar communities to use this tool. More housing creates more economic growth, something we need as we transition from reopening to recovery. More housing benefits public health as we continue to fight the pandemic. And more housing will help us to achieve greater equity, something that we all must continue to fight for every day.